In this video, would you like to buy my dreadful Delica? Yes, I've decided she has to go. This Delica that I paid £1,200 for, I'm willing to sell, getting straight to the price, for $995. So that's a substantial loss, not including the fact that I will include brake discs, pads and sliders for all four corners. They're not yet fitted. So let's take a look around. It's 2.8 litre 4-cylinder diesel, turbo diesel engine, automatic gearbox, selectable 4-wheel drive with a centre diff lock that can be, well, locked. It has torsion bar front suspension, it has coil spring rear suspension. It's bodily fairly solid, but you can definitely expect to do some welding. This needs sorting out as well. That should actually be up there and attached. The bolt has pulled through the chassis. The other side, this bracket has already been welded up, but the tyres absolutely brand new, so there's yet more expense. 4 of them, they're good. They're not Goodyears, they're Cooper Discoverers, 83s. Really good tyre, very happy with those. They've been very good. We'll open the slide door. It's got this seating layout. There are various on the Delicas. It's got the 2 captain's chairs. Kids absolutely love these. The armrests do usually work. There we go. So you got armrests. You can swivel the seats, arrange them variously. You can probably remove them if you can be bothered. There is a center row in the back and a lot of junk as well. There is a tow bar there waiting to be fitted. I haven't got around to it. I've replaced one of the rear calipers, so it now actually stops. May need further work on the front calipers, but it does actually stop and run and stuff. So you can turn this into a camper. The windows sort of have this privacy netting on, which is looking a bit disheveled, but yeah, how much leg room do you want? Extra good. If we sort of continue our tour around this magnificent beast, you can see it's quite dirty. The rear wiper does not work. The electrics are dead somewhere. It does have a fog light at a jaunty angle, and more of these extra Bon wheels. Look, makes your vehicle fascinating and gives you ultimate gratification. Here is the welded on bracket on this side. So that's all been done, but yeah, there's a couple of £100 worth of welding probably to do. It makes lots of bonging noises of different types, depending on what's going on at the time. Shut up. Put the ignition on to shut it up. We've got air conditioning, which does not work, but you know, I'm not going to say it just needs a regas, because it probably doesn't. There's this doubled in head unit going on as well. Here's the gear selector, nice comfortable seats, wind deflectors. It's got everything going on. There are rather more downsides, so let's get to that. There are various fluid leaks. We've got an oil leak, which might well be this thing up at the top. Yeah, that's looking a bit leaky there. I fear the power steering rack is leaking a bit. The pipe work is certainly of a leaky nature, and I'm having to top up the power steering fluid fairly often. I've done 2 top-ups so far and used about 400 mil, and I'm about to put probably another 100 in right now. So it's not a prime example of a Delica, but I'm not asking prime Delica money. The MOT is up on the 5th of August, that's very soon. The insurance runs out on the 28th of July, which is even sooner. So I really need it gone ASAP. It has not been a good experiment for me. I think it's become a bit too much of a project. So power steering pipes it needs, there's that rack leak, needs a little bit of welding for the MOT, needs that bracket sorting out at the back, but I mean, it actually drives fairly well, and I love the fact it's just so practical. The kids absolutely love it, and it's a shame I never got to put it through its paces off-road, especially having bought these decent all-terrain tyres for it. But hey, my loss is your gain. If you're interested in this vehicle, do email me, ian@hubnut.org, and you could be the next owner, but be quick. The vehicle is located in Newquay in Ceredigion, mid Wales, not Cornwall. Very important. This is Newquay with 2 words, and yeah, collection from here is possible. Delivery may be possible. It rather depends. I might be interested in an exchange, possibly. Who knows? But yeah, if you're interested, let me know. And that is the end of that video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Don't forget you can buy my Delica, and I shall see you in a future video. Farewell.